What's up, everybody? It's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So this time of year, we talk a lot about hurricanes. Miami hurricanes, hurricane parties, actual hurricanes. But today, we'll be talking about the classic hurricane cocktail. Now, I want you to take a second to think. When's the last time you actually had a hurricane? Was it spring break? Was it Mardi Gras? Wherever it was, I guarantee you probably had a great time. The last time you had a hurricane, tell me you didn't have a great time after you drank that hurricane, right? Yeah! So why not drink it more often? Why not drink one right now? Why not enjoy one in your own home? Okay! I'm gonna help you do it. There's a few ingredients to this thing, but they're all things that you probably already have in your house. And if you don't have them, you can just holler at Instacart and they'll have them to your house in just a couple of hours. Because we all know we're not going out to the bars and drinking hurricanes and whatnot, but we're living life. We're living this quarantine life and we're making the most of it, right? So the recipe is pretty simple. You need some dark rum, you need some light rum, you need some passion fruit juice, some orange juice, pineapple juice, a little bit of lime juice, and some grenadine. And that's really about it. And if you want, a couple of dashes of some Angostura bitters. And I don't know if I said it right, but bitters, you know what I'm talking about. Now, before we make the drink, I just want to give you a super brief history on the hurricane. So the hurricane cocktail originated in New Orleans around World War II. So thank you, boomers. And the reason why they called it a hurricane, it's because it was served in a glass that was shaped like a hurricane lamp. So they called it a hurricane glass. Now, you can serve a hurricane in any kind of glass you want. I'm going to be serving it in a big old red wine glass. But if you have a hurricane glass, good for you. Make it even more festive. But this drink is a tasty drink. It's fruity, served over ice. I don't know anybody who doesn't like hurricanes. So this is not to be confused with the Bahamian hurricane, which is a totally different drink. It's got like coffee liqueur and orange curacao. It's a delicious drink, but the hurricane that we're talking about is the classic New Orleans hurricane. So without any more stalling, let's get into it. All right, so we already got ice in our shaker. And we're gonna start off with 2.5 ounces of dark rum. I prefer Bacardi. You use whatever rum you like. Next, about 1.5 ounces of light rum. Again, Bacardi's my go-to. Can't go wrong with some Bacardi. Feel me? Next, about 3.5 ounces of passion fruit juice, about 1.5 ounces of orange juice, ounce and a half of pineapple juice, about 1/2 ounce of lime juice, depending on how limey you like it, and about 1 ounce and a half of grenadine to give it like that classic red color. And the sweetness too. And the last step is the dash of bitters. Give it a shake. And this is a drink that's served over ice. So if you don't have a hurricane glass, then you can always just use a big red wine glass. It's going to get the job done. You top it off with a little lime wheel and a little pineapple wedge. Give yourself a little straw. And you got yourself a hurricane. Now let me give it to the taste tester to see what she thinks. When she takes long sips, that's how I know she likes it.
It's so pretty too. Can I keep this or I need to give it back?
Let me get it back just for the video. I'll give it back to you, I promise. There's no need to go all the way to New Orleans to get a hurricane when you can make one right at home. If you don't already have all this stuff in your kitchen, you can go right to the grocery store or go on Instacart and make yourself a hurricane. No matter where you are, bring the party to you. That's what it's all about. We're having a good time. So if the fruitier drinks aren't your speed, that's cool. Make sure you check out my mixology playlist because I got some classic drinks on there, and I'm sure you'll find something that you enjoy. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you liked it, I'm sure there's somebody you know is gonna like it too. So don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you drink responsibly, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.